Hello there, crafters. I'm Beth and I am with Craft-e-Corner. We are an online Cricut authorized retailer. We also put out all sorts of tips and trick videos as well as Cricut education and inspiration. Be sure to subscribe to learn all about your Cricut. Today I'm going to show you a trick to getting your vinyl to stick exactly where you want it. Vinyl is very sticky for obvious reasons, and sometimes it ends up where you don't want it, and then it's hard to move it. This is called the wet method. So I'm going to cut and weed my design. So for the wet method, I am going to take a squirt bottle with some water in it and add just a little bit of soap to it. And I'll give it a little mix. I'm going to get my decal ready here with transfer tape. Burnishing well. Then when I'm ready to place on my little trivet here, I am going to take my squirt bottle and spray it just a tad. I can then take my decal and start to place it. But you'll notice that I can still move it around and pick it up if I need to. This is because the water causes a little barrier for the vinyl so it doesn't stick. I can really move this decal all around to find the perfect spot. When I have it where I like it, finally, I will take my scraper and starting from the middle outwards, I will just kind of push the water out from under the vinyl and transfer tape. I just kind of work my way all around the design. Then I can remove the transfer tape and it's stuck on. Thank you for watching this Cricut trick today. Let me know in the comments if you've given this method a try. Check out Craft-e-Corner.com here for all of your Cricut needs. See you next time.